Okay, go.
Right, so I'm demonstrating the HP-TouchPad, which will be available in stores here in the US on July 1st. And so I'm going to start out with a view of our card multitasking user interface. I can seamlessly scroll through all my open applications, and I can really easily get in and out of my cards, either by using this card stack button or a simple gesture. So what's really great also is that I can organize my cards any way I want to. So I'm in control of the OS, it's not in control of me. I can go ahead and set up a stack. Let's say I'm planning a vacation or I'm working on a research project for work. Maybe I'm replying to an email from a colleague and I want to have it right there with those other items that I had open. I can just go ahead and take that email card and let me grab it. I'll just drag it over and I'll put it in the stack as well. Oh, there we go. And it's one of these things where we wanted to make an OS that works the way that people work, not make people work the way the OS works. And so multitasking is one of the core tenets of that. Card stacking is one of the core tenets of that. Also our notification system, which really doesn't get in your way. So as you're getting new emails or new Facebook updates come in that you're alerted to, you have maybe a calendaring event, reminder, instead of popping up and putting it in your face, we put it right up here in this nice, neat notifications view. We had that quite a while ago, and some people have saw fit to incorporate that in their products too. So it's it's flattering. Another thing that we do really well is email. And with email, I have the ability to scroll using these handles and really decide how I want to have the interface set up. So here I've got my inbox, but you know what? If I want to switch from my work email to my personal email, I can just go over to this pane and easily switch between them. So here I'll get that real estate back. If I have a particularly long email, I can let that email take over the whole screen. Something we can do is reply to multiple emails. We can have multiple drafts going at once. So we go back over here. Let's do a reply to all as well. So I could go through and have a ton of different emails going at once. That's the way people work. They don't just sit there and say, I know exactly what I want to say in this email right now and reply. They have to maybe call somebody, they got to look at a website, and so we really made a UI that reflects that working style. As everyone who's a WebOS aficionado knows, Synergy is a core part of the platform. So we go out to LinkedIn, to Facebook, to your Gmail, your Yahoo, and collect all that contact information, calendar information, email information, and bring it down to the device. But another thing we've done is we've added that same concept of Synergy to the photo application. So let me go and fire up the photo app. And here I am in a Facebook photo. I can go back and you'll see I could be grabbing my photos from Facebook, from Snapfish, from Photo Buckets. And what's more, we know that these photos aren't just kind of static, PNG files or what have you. They're really kind of a part of our life and social dialogue. So if there are comments in Facebook around a photo, we'll overlay those on top of the photo so you can keep the dialogue going. You can go ahead and reply. And while I've got the keyboard open, let me say a few things. A number row across the top. I don't know how many passwords I have that have numbers in them. No hackers should know that, but you try to integrate, numbers are a part of our life, and you want to put it in a sentence or what have you. Having to go into some special mode to get the numbers is a pain in the neck. Another thing is we know different people have different comfort levels with capacitive keyboards. So, high comfort, small fingers, extra small. Low comfort, or fingers like mine, extra large.
Nice.
Another thing we can do is hold down keys with a long press and get other sub options like accents and things like that. So really I think just a lot of things that are really natural, intuitive, make it easy for users to get work done the way they want to. So really excited about the product. I'm going to show the Touchstone charging.
Oh wow, it's got its own charge? Oh, cool.
So this is the Touchstone charging dock. You can see it's just a nice clean piece of plastic right here. Nice metal handle that's adjustable on the back.
So it's also a stand.
Yeah, so it's also a stand. But I rest the device in, and you can see the little charging light lit up right here. So I'm now charging the touchpad. It's really magical. And another thing I can do is...
You can't use words like magical.
What's that?
You can't use words like magical.
Yeah, but it is. And you know, we claim credit for that word.
You guys have gotten that.
We deserve the call.
You do.
let me ask
You
you
do,
something.
and I'll give it.
What about the tablet? Are there any features about WebOS that are tablet exclusive? That like the whole thing with the stacking cards I saw already on the the later iterations of the Pre.
Yeah.
Is there anything about the tablet that gives us something that the phones can't do?
Yeah, I mean, I think the...
Oh, no, I saw the email thing, right.
The email thing is unique right now, you know, being able to really take advantage of that screen real estate. That same UI paradigm we use in some other apps, and we make those widgets available to third-party developers. One of the key things to remember about the touchpad is it's built on Enyo, which is our next generation of the framework. And Enyo is really, just started to kind of get out there into the developer community. We're starting to put the tools out. We're starting to really talk about it and drive it. And it makes it possible for developers to do so much more. So, that's really, the core difference is really under the